In this video, we will show you how to add a custom domain to Vercel. If you guys want to get started with Vercel, you can use the links down in the description. First, on the dashboard, pick the project to which you would like to assign your domain. Once you have selected your project, click on the Settings tab and then select the Domains menu item. From the Domains page, enter the domain you wish to add to the project. You can use your custom domain as a wildcard domain by prefixing it with asterisk. To add a wildcard domain, use the prefix asterisk, for example, *acme.com. Once you have added your custom domain, you will need to configure the DNS records of your domain with your registrar so it can be used with your project. The dashboard will automatically display different methods for configuring it. If the domain is in use by another Vercel account, you will need to verify access to the domain with a TXT record. If you're using an Apex domain like example.com, you will need to configure it with an A record. If you're using a subdomain like docs.example.com, you will need to configure it with a CNAME record. You can configure Apex domains either with an A record or through the nameservers method. You can configure subdomains either with a CNAME record or through the nameservers method. If you choose to use Vercel's nameservers for either Apex domains or subdomains, click on the Enable Vercel DNS button to opt in. Once enabled, you will be provided with a Vercel nameservers to copy and use with your register. If the domain is in use by another Vercel account, you may be prompted to verify access to the domain. Note that this will not move the domain into your account but will allow you to use it in your project. If you have multiple domains to verify, be aware that you can only set up one TXT record at a time, but you can modify it after the domain is transferred. Once the domain has been configured and Vercel has verified it, the status of the domain will be updated within the UI to confirm that it is ready for use. So that's how to add a custom domain to Vercel. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Vercel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.